The fate of Eden Alexander, a young American-Israeli citizen held captive by Hamas in Gaza, has hung in the balance for far too long. His story has touched the hearts of many, resonating deeply across continents. But whispers of hope have begun to emerge from the shadows, offering a glimmer of optimism in these dark times. Leaked remarks from a closed meeting with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu suggest a glimmer of light in the darkness. These remarks have sparked a wave of cautious optimism. Could Eden Alexander finally be coming home? Families wait with bated breath, hoping for a miracle. The news, still shrouded in secrecy, has sent ripples of anticipation and anxiety through both nations. Every update is met with a mix of hope and fear. The possibility, however slim, is enough to ignite a flicker of hope in the hearts of those who have prayed for Eden's safe return. Communities gather, united in their hope and prayers. The coming days are critical, fraught with a tension that is palpable. Every second feels like an eternity. The world holds its breath, watching and waiting. The international community is on edge. Will this be the moment Eden's nightmare finally ends? Will he be reunited with his loved ones? Or will this be another cruel twist of fate in a story already filled with unbearable anguish? The uncertainty is almost too much to bear. Netanyahu, in his characteristically measured tone, has expressed cautious optimism about the situation. His words, carefully chosen, hint at delicate negotiations taking place behind closed doors. The Prime Minister has described the coming days as very critical, a phrase heavy with both promise and uncertainty. Sources close to the Israeli government suggest that Hamas may be considering the release of Eden Alexander as a goodwill gesture. The timing of this potential breakthrough is no coincidence. President Trump, a figure who has loomed large over Middle Eastern politics, is scheduled to make a highly anticipated visit to the region. The stakes are incredibly high. The world watches, waits, and prays for a resolution. The next move, it seems, rests with Hamas. The potential release of Eden Alexander is widely seen as a calculated move by Hamas, a group known for its strategic maneuvers. It's a gesture laden with political weight, intended to curry favor with President Trump during his visit to the region, a visit that has garnered significant international attention. The move, if it materializes, would be a significant departure from Hamas's previous stance on hostages, marking a potential shift in their approach to international diplomacy. The timing of this potential olive branch coincides with Trump's push for a peace deal in the region, a deal that could reshape the geopolitical landscape. It's a strategic play by Hamas, signaling a willingness to engage in dialogue, albeit on their terms, and testing the waters for future negotiations. The release of Eden Alexander, a symbol of innocence caught in the crossfire, would undoubtedly generate positive press for the group, potentially swaying public opinion. The world is watching, keen to decipher the motives behind this potential act of goodwill, analyzing every move and statement. Is it a genuine step towards peace, or a calculated move in a high-stakes game of international diplomacy? Only time will reveal the true intentions behind this gesture. Section 4. The significance of timing. President Trump's visit to the Middle East has taken on a new level of significance. His arrival, always a spectacle, is now intertwined with the fate of a young man held captive. The eyes of the world are fixed on this visit, watching for any sign, any indication that Eden Alexander might be freed. The timing of this potential release, coinciding with Trump's visit, speaks volumes. It underscores the complex geopolitical chess game being played out on the world stage. The release of Eden Alexander, if it happens, would be a major diplomatic coup for the Trump administration. The air is thick with anticipation. Every word, every gesture, every public appearance will be scrutinized for any hint of progress. The weight of expectation hangs heavy in the air. Section 5. A broader deal on the horizon? The potential release of Eden Alexander has also fueled speculation about a broader deal brewing beneath the surface. Rumors have circulated for weeks about the so-called Witkoff proposal. a controversial plan that could reshape the geopolitical landscape of the region. The proposal, shrouded in secrecy, reportedly involves a large-scale prisoner exchange between Israel and Hamas. The details remain murky, but sources suggest it could involve the release of hundreds of prisoners, a move fraught with political risk for both sides. The potential release of Eden Alexander, if it comes to pass, could be the first domino to fall in a much larger chain of events. The world holds its breath, watching and waiting to see what unfolds. Section 6. A family's anguish, a nation's hope. Throughout this ordeal, Eden Alexander's family has endured unimaginable anguish. The weight of their sorrow is felt deeply, resonating with families everywhere who have faced similar heartache. Their pain, etched on their faces, is a constant reminder of the human cost of this conflict. Each tear, each expression of grief tells a story of love, loss, and longing. His grandmother, Varda Ben Baruch, has become a symbol of resilience, her voice unwavering in her pleas for her grandson's release. Her determination is a beacon of hope for many. Images of Varda, clutching a faded photograph of Eden, have become seared into the public consciousness. This photograph, a simple yet powerful symbol, speaks volumes about the depth of her love and the pain of her loss. Her strength, her unwavering faith, has touched hearts around the world. People from all walks of life have been moved by her story, finding inspiration in her resilience. Her story is a testament to the enduring power of love in the face of unimaginable adversity. It reminds us that even in the darkest times, love can provide the strength to persevere. The hope for Eden's return is a beacon of light in these dark times. This hope sustains them, giving them the courage to face each new day with a glimmer of optimism. It's a reminder that even in the midst of conflict, the human spirit yearns for peace, for compassion, for the safe return of loved ones. This yearning unites us all, transcending borders and differences. Section 7. Stay informed. The situation remains fluid, constantly evolving. The coming days will be critical, filled with tension and uncertainty. The world watches, waits, and hopes for the best, but the outcome remains shrouded in mystery. Stay tuned to this channel for updates as this story develops. We are committed to providing you with the latest information, the most insightful analysis, and the most comprehensive coverage of this unfolding situation. Subscribe now and join us as we follow this story to its conclusion.